American exceptionalists prefer Russian aircraft and Chinese airspace. April 27th. Remember April Fool's Day of 2001 when the U.S. Navy flew their EP-3 too close to Hainan Island and collided with one of the Chinese jets trying to escort it the hell out of there? China kept the crew for 10 days, but they hung onto the plane until July. Then America lost its collective shit over China, having one of its dismantled planes for 3 months, because memories of Operation Moolah must have slipped their collective minds. Operation Moolah was a United States Air Force plan to acquire, through defection, a Soviet MiG-15 fighter jet. $50,000 would be given to any pilot who could deliver to them a fully functional, mission-capable MiG-15, and another $50,000 to the first pilot who also defected. Complete political asylum and resettlement in any non-communist country were offered, as was anonymity, approved in March and forwarded to United Nations Command General Mark Clark. The plan was announced on this date in 1953 via a shortwave radio transmission translated into Korean, Mandarin, Cantonese, and Russian. The message cajoled fighter pilots to abscond with their aircraft, so maybe they could frolic in the land of the free.
Храбрые пилоты, командование Дальневосточного округа США предлагает божественную свободу всем отважным пилотам, кто желает свободы и стремится к лучшей достойной жизни. Это ваш шанс, который бывает раз в 1000 лет. Освободитесь от коммунистического тирании. Летите на своем истребителе в свободный мир.
The designers of Operation Moolah hoped the captured pilots would help create the illusion that communist POWs were treated better by UN forces and therefore didn't want to return home. America, you were trying to steal Russian-made fighter jets using the pilots who manned them. You caused the collision in China by invading their airspace, wrecking your own plane and killing a Chinese pilot in the process. How do you, with a straight face, ever paint yourself as the victim of anything? Hashtag, the whole world wants to give America something to cry about.